Okay guys, Dale here with Scrapyard Rescue, and today what we're going to do, probably for a couple of videos, we dug the Honda back out of the back of the shed here. It's been a while since I've done anything with this bike, at least a year. I got kind of carried away on my cars and kind of forgot about this, but we're going to go ahead and see now with winter coming and it getting cold, and we got frost every morning here, so I'm kind of inside. So I'm gonna see if I can get this thing going this winter and get it so it's on the road for in the spring. But so anyways, to refresh your memories, it's a 1974 Honda CB 360. It's not a numbers matching bike, but the frame and engine are both 74s. I do have a second engine over there that is the same thing. I don't know. I got two engines, but the one I'm going to put back in here is a good engine. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set basically the bottom end of the engine back into the frame. I had all kinds of grand ideas for this bike. I don't know, it's just everything is so expensive these days that you just can't buy anything anymore that's okay. Well, as I was saying, you just can't buy stuff anymore at a reasonable price. It's just unreal what they want for stuff. I called the powder coater yesterday, day before, asked him how much it would cost just to powder coat, the main part of the frame here, just this little bit, not the triple trees, not the swing arm, none of that stuff. And he wants $350, he said, to powder coat it. I'm like, that ain't gonna happen, I guess. So yeah, I don't know. It's just way too much money. I got most of the stuff for this thing. Basically, what I need now is I need a gasket set for the engine. I need piston rings. I got to order the piston rings and a gasket set, and then I can build the engine, get that in. You can see that I've got the wiring harness sort of in here. I need to button all that up then, and I've got a gas tank. It needs a little bit of work on it, but I think I can get that so it'll look good. Everything else is here. I got the fender for it. I need to get, of course, tires and tubes and stuff like that. So we'll get all that on there. But I'm hoping with minimum expense here, I can actually get this bike so it's a rider. That would be nice. It'd be kind of fun. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and get the engine in here, try to get that set into the frame, and see how long that takes. I got to dig around in all my boxes to look for all the pieces, which, that could take a while because I don't know where they are anymore. They're up here somewhere. And I'll show you some of the parts over here that I got for the engine. So let's go ahead and get going on that. It's going to be a little weird. This shop here is pretty small. I can't get the camera back very far, so I'm gonna have to do some manual on and off with the camera, so you're gonna see that. But let's go ahead and get going on this thing. Alright guys, I got the motor set back into place. It's just a mock-up right now. I got the main part in. I got the studs through. I got to get a bolt for the front up here. I don't have this bolt here, so I got to get one of those, and I got to get a bolt that goes up through that frame bar to hold that plate that holds that side of the motor on. The side covers are just sitting on here. I just put them on to look, and the same with the rocker cover up there. It's all just sitting there. What I'm thinking of doing now, this is going to take several videos to get through all this stuff. But I'm thinking I'm going to paint the cylinders and the head in high heat paint to kind of block, black out the whole engine. I kind of like that look. And I've got the exhaust pipes I got for it are already painted with high heat paint. They're black. I'm just going to run them on. And then for exhaust mufflers, I'm going to put some shorty reverse cones on the back. Those I'll leave. I think I'll leave those chrome, but you can get those in black. So I don't know. By the time I get to that, I'll decide what I want to do. And the other thing I've been thinking of doing, you guys, this is where you guys can help me out with this bike. I thought about doing the wheels and everything in black, but then again, I don't want to take them apart and have, like the rims powder coated, the hubs powder coated, and then lace them all back up. So if I did do them in black, I would just spray paint them. And I'm not real convinced that I want to do that. I think I'll just leave them. And then I am looking for a seat. I don't have a seat for this bike of any kind. So I've seen a couple of guys that have these custom seats on them. I saw one today on the 350 forum. It looked like a pretty cool seat. I sent a message to the guy, asked him where he got it. If I can get that seat, and it's not, ridiculous price, I think what I'll do is I'll take off that chrome fender, and because it eliminates that fender back there, and make this a little bit more cafe looking. It's kind of the intention I had. Other thing I'm looking for are headlight ears for this. Those things I got up there that you can see, those kind of custom ones, those things suck. They're not going to work. I'm afraid a guy start riding down the road and those are going to wiggle loose and, and fall off. I'd kind of like to stock ears if I can get some. So if you guys got parts for this bike, let me know. I'd be willing to buy stuff from you. I've got a tank. There's the tank. That's a stock Honda tank. I'm just going to fix that up and I'll probably just paint it black. And I do need side covers. I don't have any side covers. So, if you got this stuff, let me know. Leave me a message, send me a comment and let me know that you got something, and then I can contact you and we can see what we can do. I need to get a gasket set, so I'm going to go order a gasket set for this. That way I can start putting all this stuff together. I need a set of rings. And then I can actually button the whole motor up and get it put in, torqued down, everything done. Finish up that wiring nightmare up there. Get that done. I got to get some rubber for it. I'll put new tubes, tires, rim straps, everything on it. So it'll be all brand new. It'll be pretty cool. If I can get going on it now, it shouldn't be too long. I should have this thing running. So anyways, that's what we got here so far. Yeah, I don't know what else I can do today on it. Yeah, I don't know for sure. Here, let me think about it. Okay, what I did is I went ahead and I put the electric start motor back on. You can see that in there. So I got that out of the way. And this is the pipes. This is what the pipes will look like. I got to get the little collet things there. I don't have those to hold them in tight. And then, like I said, I'm just going to put some little shorties back there. So, I think that's all we're going to do today. I really can't do too much. I got to get a battery before I can keep fiddling with the wiring. Make sure I'm getting the right juice where it's supposed to go. But this will be a pretty cool little bike when it's done. I'd like to eliminate that back chrome fender and stuff if I can get the correct seat, but we'll see on that. That's kind of, I can do that almost any time. So, but this is what it'll look like. Be a nice little bike. Alright, fellas, I'm just going to go ahead and end this video here with this. I got about as much as I can do right now. Like I said, there's a couple things I need to get. Well, there's more than a couple. Gasket set, piston rings, a couple bolts to finish mounting the motor, the exhaust collets to hold the pipes in tight, and that pretty much is that'll button all that stuff up. Once I get that gasket kit, I can start bolting everything down and tightening it up, getting it set, get the timing done, you know, all that. Then I can, you know, just keep going on it. I'll probably get the tires last because I don't really need tires until I'm going to take it out and try to ride it. We'll get it running, and then I can worry about getting tires. And with that, let's go ahead and end this video here. For all you guys that aren't subscribers to my channel, if you would please hit that button. It really makes a difference. The more I can get, you know, the more it works for me. And I need to keep getting my channel growing. I'm picking up some subscribers, but I always need more. You know, you always got to have more. So if you would do that, I would appreciate it. And we will get back on this here shortly. I'll get that stuff ordered. I'll probably take a week to get it. So about a week we'll have another video with maybe getting the motor all buttoned up. That'd be cool. I think when I get that all buttoned up and get those exhaust pipes on, I'm just going to blast some, you know, brake parts cleaner down the intake and see if it fires. I got a set of carburetors, but I got to get these rebuilt, and I can't find kits for them. So I gotta work on that. But then again, I might use some different carbies too. I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, with that, let's end the video here. And guys, as always, thanks a lot for watching.